welcome back. And today we're going to do a wall mural. It's going to hang just like so. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and I'm going to show y'all exactly how I did it. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, so only thing you need, and all of this come from the Dollar Tree, is a piece of pan, a mirror, and these little beads, any color that you want to use. I chose to use blue and the clear ones. And then you're gonna need some kind of rope, and the rope you can get it from Dollar Tree, and some kind of beads. Now you can get some from the Dollar Tree, you can use those, but if you get the one from the Dollar Tree, make sure you use the wrap. Don't use the string, just use the wrap to go around your edges. And also you're gonna need some of these little diamonds here, and your hammer, and you need a nail, and your glue gun, and also I'm going to also use this Gorilla Glue. I think it's called epoxy Gorilla Glue. That's what you're going to need to use on this, because when it get hot, your little beads might want to pop off. So use this right here to make it more stable. So I already have put my hole in. I nailed it in, and it's already there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna stick my nail in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of make it bigger. And this pan is so lightweight, so you can go ahead and just make it bigger as you want it. See there? And on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing, going backwards and forward, just to make my hole big so my rope can get through it. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go ahead and put our mirror on, and try to find the center of your pan. And then with your glue, I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna use the hot glue, and I'm also gonna use Gorilla Glue. So I'm just gonna kind of put it on the edges, just along with this. So I'm just gonna kind of put it right there on the edges, because I want that to stick real good. And this hot glue, it just kind of hold it in place while the other one is curing. And you can use any type of mirror you want, but I kind of like this design on this mirror here. We'll go ahead and set it down. We're gonna hold it just for a little bit. Next, we're gonna go ahead on and put our little beads on now. See how I'm doing it? I'm just kind of putting them interchangeable. That's gonna make it real pretty. I got all of those. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and glue all of these down, and I'll be back. Also, I'm gonna put some of these in these little sections here, and it just makes it look so pretty. So I'm putting the big ones outside, and then the little ones, I'm gonna put them in the middle. So I'm just gonna get them all in there. Okay. Now, we got all that on. Now we're gonna start putting our beads on. And I'm not gonna put one right there where I got the hole here, so I'm gonna kind of skip around that. Okay, so we finishing up here. Okay. Now, we're gonna put our little gems around here. And I'm just gonna do a few of them because now this does take some time because they're so tiny. Okay, so I am finishing up my little diamonds here. When you get to the last one, just kind of put it like within the middle, like so. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. See how pretty that looking? This is so pretty. Now, we're gonna put our little rope in. You're gonna have to kind of twist it and twist it and twist. Okay, and then you're gonna take it. Once you get it now, you're just gonna tie it. I leave a little bit out because I want it to be real tight. So I'm gonna kind of tie it in a knot. Then I turn around and tie it in another knot. And then you're gonna go around and tie your other one on. And you're gonna tie it twice again. Okay. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna hang it on the wall. I'm gonna let y'all see how it look on the wall. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final results. So what y'all think? I think it looks great. I think I'm gonna leave them right there where I have them at. I think they are so beautiful. But thanks for joining me today, and we hope to see y'all again the next time. We're gonna do something different. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.